Welcome today in front of me SONY Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and here just find the Gmail application. Right now go here on the right upper corner to this icon, and as can you see right now we are logged in into two accounts. Now just tap to the manage account on this device, and as can you see we got here these two accounts, and for example we want to remove the first one. Just tap on this account and here click remove account and confirm by tap on the remove account. And as can you see right now we got here just one account, and now we'll check that here on our account managements. Here we got just one account, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.